Today guys, I'm gonna be teaching you on some little ways on how you can make little money online. A lot of popular get rich quick ideas always pops up, especially when it comes to online earning guys. But the question that we ask ourselves is, do they really work? And if they do really work, are people making money out of doing them guys? So the truth for now is maybe yes or maybe no, we don't know. But guys, today I'm going to be revealing the secrets behind online earning guys. That's why most of people fear what we call online things, because they feel like online is a scam, online is not working. But guys, the truth is most of millions of people are making money online. So guys, even yourself from where you are, you can make money online. Most of the people fear online things. That's why they opt to go for an 8 to 4 job. At least there at the end of the month you are guaranteed a paycheck, or what we call a salary guys. So my name is Albert Kaboom. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hit that subscription button so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. The number one thing that you can do to earn online is something that we call, what is affiliate marketing? This is where basically you are paid because of advertising different brands, product of different brands guys. So you are paid in terms of commissions. Most of the people feel that commissions, maybe being paid in commission, is very less or is very low. But guys, remember, you can learn different affiliate links in your blog, in your YouTube channel, from different brand, so and some commission from different brand guys. So by that, affiliate marketing is one of the most renowned ways of making money. Number two thing that guys you can do is create a YouTube channel guys. So there is a video that I did giving you ideas on how you can start a YouTube channel guys. Create a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel for yourself. By that guys, you're going to be learning affiliate marketing. You can also have sponsors in your YouTube channel, and also guys, you can be a brand ambassador of different things and advertise them in your YouTube channel guys. So if others can make money doing YouTube guys, even yourself you can make money doing YouTube. Remember, something that you don't know is that one of the youngest people being paid huge amount of money by YouTube is small 7-year-old lion who does reviews of toys, reviews of games guys. So imagine 7-year-old kid having, in fact, in 2017, Lion was able to earn from YouTube alone $22 million, guys. $22 million at the age of 7, guys. So if others can make money using or doing YouTube, guys, what is hindering you from doing it, guys? You can do it, and I know you will do it. The number 3 thing to earn money online, guys, is to become an influencer. Personal branding is very good when it comes to influencing, guys. Remember, for you to become a brand, you can grow your brand in maybe IG, that is Instagram, and some other online platforms like YouTube, Twitter. Building that good influence, building your brand, guys. That's how you become an influencer. By influencer, you will have some sponsors who will be sponsoring you. You also have some people who will be requesting for you to advertise their brands, guys. By that way, you can earn money online, guys. So is become a content creator. So with the interest of so many brands wanting content, guys, you can become, if you are very good at writing, guys, you can become a content writer where you'll be writing different perspective and different things, guys. So the secret of becoming a good writer is by becoming an expert in a certain niche. Niche meaning that thing that you love is what you should write about. That thing that you'll never get bored writing about, guys. So that is one way that you will become a perfect writer. So the number 5 thing that you can do is in stocks, guys. The good thing with stocks is that it can really make you rich very quick, but also, guys, it's a very risky platform for you to enroll or for you to get or to venture in, because stock can make you rich by overnight and stock can make you poor by overnight. So what I would request you guys is that if you're not good at stock, if you're not done research guys, so don't even think of going into stock, because stock is very sensitive. Myself, I've tried and I know it. My name is Albert Kaboom. Thank you for watching my video. In case you are new here, consider subscribing so that each and every time that I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Also consider sharing with your friends, and also learning is all about education, it's all about learning and earning guys. You learn